Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install Drupal 9 in localhost on a Windows 10 operating system. To download Drupal, you need to visit this website drupal.org. I will give the link directly in the description box. After that, you need to click on download Drupal 9. Here you have the option to download Drupal in zip format or tar.gz. Click on that. Now the file will be downloaded to your PC. The size of the file is 29 MB, so it doesn't take much time. After the file is downloaded, go to the location where you have downloaded this file and you need to extract this zip file. Once the file is extracted, here are the inside contents. We need to rename this extracted folder. You can give any name of your choice. I have given Drupal. After renaming this folder, you need to copy this folder, copy, and you need to open the C drive and you need to click on XAMPP. Under XAMPP, you need to click on htdocs and you need to paste this folder in htdocs. After pasting the Drupal folder in htdocs, what we need to do is we need to open the browser, and in the browser we need to type localhost/php myadmin, hit enter. Now we need to create the database for our Drupal website. From the left side menu, simply click on new and give the name for your database. I have given the name as Drupal. Click on create. Now after creating the database, you have the option to create a new database user, or you can use any one of the users which are presently available on your database. Click on privileges. Here you can see that under privileges you can see the users. You can use root, which is a default one, or you can select any one of the users which you have created previously. For demonstration purpose, I would like to create a new database user. Click on add user account and give the name for your database user. I have given the name as Drupal. Under host name, you need to click on this box and it will open the drop down box. Under that, you need to select local. Once you select local, it will show you the host name as localhost. And after that, you need to set your password for your database user and you need to retype the password. After setting the password for your database user, you need to scroll down and you will have an option called as global privileges. You need to click on check all. Once you click on check all, it will give all the privileges for the database user which you are creating right now. And after that, you need to scroll down a little bit and you need to click on go. Now the database user has been created. Click on user accounts. Here you can see the newly created database user, Drupal localhost, passwords set to yes, and all privileges. Now what you need to do is we need to open the new tab and you need to type localhost / the folder name. I have given the folder name as Drupal, so I am going to enter that. If you have given any other name, you need to enter that and hit enter. Here you can see the Drupal setup. The version of Drupal is 9.1.10. You need to select the language. I have selected English and click on save and continue. Under choose profile, you have three options: standard, minimal and demo. If you want to install some sample data, you can select demo, but I always prefer standard. Click on that and click on save and continue. If there are no errors, you will be shown directly database configuration. If there is any errors in PHP configuration files, under verify requirements, you might get errors like this. Here I have given you a screenshot. If you are not getting any errors, you will be directly given an option to set up the database. Under database type, you need to select MySQL, MariaDB and so on. Since we have created the database and the database user, I am going to enter those fields. Drupal. I have given the name and the username as Drupal and you need to enter the password and click on advanced options. Under host name, you can see that it is automatically taking localhost. If you have given any other name, you need to enter that, and after that you need to click on save and continue. Currently Drupal installation is going on. It may take few seconds or a minute. Once the Drupal installation is done, you need to configure your Drupal website. Under site name, you need to give the name, and after that you need to enter your email address. And after entering your email address, you need to enter your username, that is administrator. I am giving the name as admin. You can give any username of your choice, and after that you need to set the password and you need to retype the password again. And here you can see that it has automatically taken the email address, and you need to select the country. I have selected India, and you need to select the time zone. After selecting the time zone, you need to click on save and continue. Now here is the front end of your Drupal website. Now you can configure your Drupal website by applying themes or templates, and you can create menu and you can create articles. So that's it guys. In this way you can install Drupal 9 on your local host. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.